Welcome to We're Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of February 13th, 2022. Part 1. This week's theme is Valentine's Day. Little Blue Truck's Valentine by Alex Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Little Blue Truck was on his way delivering cards on Valentine's Day. Blue felt happy, for truth to tell, he hoped he'd get some cards as well. Blue drove into Hen's front yard with a polka dot egg-shaped Valentine's card. Blue said beep and Hen said cluck. What a perfect Valentine, Little Blue Truck. Pig's pink card said please be mine. Beep, said Blue, happy Valentine. Oink, said Pig, a pretty pink, just right for cards and pigs, I think. In his big red barn was Big Brown Horse, and Blue brought a big red card, of course. Nay, said Horse, what's this I see? A card almost as big as me. His card for Cow had a big bouquet. Beep, said Blue, happy Valentine's Day. Moo, said Cow, what a treat, a card that's good enough to eat. Duck was out for a nice cool swim, and Blue had a special card for him, a heart-shaped sail on a little red boat. Quack, said Duck, my card can float. Two last cards for Goat and Sheep with candy hearts. Beep, beep, beep. Bah, said Sheep, sweet card, Blue. Ma, said Goat, mine is too. Blue headed home, and all the way he tried to be glad it was Valentine's Day. But Valentine's Day didn't seem much fun when he didn't get cards from anyone. His own front door was open wide. Home at last. Blue drove inside. He couldn't believe his headlight eyes. Everyone yelled, surprise, surprise! Together now, croaked Toad. Let's hear it. Quack it, cluck it, oink it, cheer it. Hip hooray for a friend that's true. You're our Valentine, Little Blue. The end. We're going to paint Little Blue Truck with watercolors. So all you need for this is the Little Blue Truck template. It has a little heart template inside. You'll need watercolor paints, and you'll need a watercolor brush and some water. And all you're gonna do is go ahead and paint your truck. That's all there is to it. So you can make it any way you want. If you don't want a blue truck, you can make it a different color. But it's based on Little Blue Truck's Valentine. And that's it.